Hey guys, it's me, Braden here from BML Aviation, and we're here with a model review. This is a review of the Gemini Jets Delta Boeing 737-700. So, this is a 1/400 scale, of course. So, let's move the model aside. Let's get straight into the box real fast. Just the normal Gemini Jets box here. As real as it gets. Made, what is the motto thing? Made by collectors. For collectors, I think it is. Something like that. Anyways, so, I'll pick you guys up here. So here's the box. If you want to read it, just pause. So there's the box information. Nothing too special there. So let's get into the main part of this video, which is the 737-700 itself. So this model is actually very nice. I definitely enjoy it. So let's take a look at the nose here. There we go. Really nice detail. Take a look there at the side. See if we can get it focused. Actually, here would be almost better if I pick up the camera. That is the Sky Team logo right there. Hope you can see that. We have the Delta logo here. We have the hub cap thing right here. Nav lights. We have the little exit signs on the wings. Really nice engine detail. And I really do love the winglets on this model. They're really nice. The registration, as you can see here, as you can see there's a little weight problem, is focus, and it's very out of focus. Sorry about that, guys. It is N301DQ, and of course has the American flag right there. I have no idea why the American flag is backwards. That is very weird. Is it the same on the side? No. That's not right. So it's the same on this side besides the American flag being backwards. You can see Gemini Jets puts a lot of detail into it. I mean, look at the tail right there. Just a lot of detail right there. Just lots of detail on these planes. And there's the Delta logo up top here. You can't see it, but it says 3101. So let's take a look at the bottom of the plane here. Don't want to get shadowed, so of course blue color scheme. There's the cargo door, and the landing gears do not roll or rotate, but they are nice. I'll give you better detail of those. There's the other cargo door. Gemini Jets, and then right in the middle there's the hole. Right here is the hole for the stand, so you can have it landing. So let's see if we can get a closer look at those landing gear there. Very detailed model. This is a good model to get if you are a Delta fan. It's not very expensive. I think it's sold out. But it's really nice. I got mine off eBay. That's where I've gotten all my models actually. It's a very nice model. It's one of my favorites I've had. I currently have. Probably second favorite. I forgot to show you some wing detail here. Very detailed on the wing. Look at that. And you can kind of see the SkyTeam logo right next to the door there. The nose, just very detailed model. So just try to get a nice shot of it. Do a 360 here of the model. Very nice. Very, very nice model. It's probably the second favorite that I have. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and most of all, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.